This video will show you the clean room engineering scene, which is taken from the customer's production workshop. Along with the video, the customer highly praised Suzhou Pharma Machinery. We have built top-notch air purification systems for our clients. Equipped with high-efficiency air filtration systems, which remove dust particles, microorganisms, and other pollutants from the air through primary, medium, and high-efficiency filtration, ensuring that indoor air cleanliness meets the set standards. Maintaining constant temperature and humidity control, the clean room needs to maintain a stable temperature and relative humidity range to ensure the stability of the drug production process and product quality, and to inhibit microbial growth. And we ensured the normal operation of the dust-free production workshop. Collaborating with PHARMA CLEAN to carry out a series of planning, design, construction, commissioning, and operation maintenance activities, you'll receive the most satisfactory results.